Anna, and today I'm doing. Alright. Here we go. I was just playing with this doll. This is not going to be bad, though. I have to wake up Charlie. Charlie, wake up. Sissy, why do you want me to make me up? Because Mom's dead from that car accident, remember? Oh yeah. And Dad too. Okay. So on your table. I'll do it. Sit on your table. Yay! Okay, here we come with the comb. Okay, here you go, Charlie. Pick any outfit you want. Alright. I picked. Yes, really nice. Now come out. You can eat some Cheez-Its. Guys, guess what? These are actually real Cheez-Its. I can actually do that, look. Yum, yum, yum. I can do that too. Yeah, good. Yep. I'm finishing out my excess. Okay, let's go. A girl talk. I guess you're in this task. Now, I'll go talk to your teacher and see what's her name is. You stay on your desk. Okay. Hi, what's your name? Oh, hi. I'm Mrs. Domation. I'm gonna be the kindergarten teacher right now. And I heard Charlie's been off preschool now. Wow, she did really good on preschool. Yeah, I know. She's really good. Yeah. Oh, and she's also wearing a bow. How cute. Yeah, she's going to be in our first kindergarten. Yes, in our first kindergarten. Oh, yes. Really good and lovely. Wait, what are your name again? Miss Domation. Oh, alright. Bye, Charlie. Happy days in school. Okay, bye, Sissy. Bye. I miss her. Oh, Charlie. Mrs. Mason? Yes. Which desk is mine? Oh, come over here. That's supposed to be the big children's desk. So you're on this desk right here. Alright. Okay, now someone be sitting next to you. Her name's Lucy. Hey, this is only a 2-school class, so can you just scoot? Alright. And get your tail out. Okay. I knew everyone likes me. Yeah. It's because my dad, he told me to hurry up and go to sleep because it's nighttime and it's almost time for me to sleep. So, blah, blah, blah. Next to the part. Okay, let's go home. Rainier walkers? Oh, Rainier walker. See you next time, Charlie. Bye. Bye. Bus 151. That's me, right, Mrs. Dalmatian? Yep, that's you. And don't forget your locker. Take off your headband and put it in. Right. Bus 151, bus 151. Everyone go in bus 151. Charlie, I can't believe you're in bus 151. Yeah, Mom signed in yesterday when he had the earthquake. Oh, that's so good. And I was pleased to be the bus driver in one. So, let's go! Charlie, wee! Wee, 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 wee. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do you want one? Do you want one? Do you want one? Hurry up. I'm going to throw it away. Okay. You don't want one. See you next time. Bye. There's 7. I don't know why. This is my dad.